Hey, we're heading to the Berlin Craft Mall, and that is right behind the Share and Care thrift store. So we're just pulling in. We'll give you a bird's eye view here, a shot of it. Let you know it's raining, and it's just kind of a good day to be inside. We're here. Let's go inside and check it out. So as I walked through the door, I knew the first time impression was there's no way I was going to be able to cover all of these booths and give them the detail that I wanted to give each one. Or see the different products to be able to bring those to you so you could get a real good feel of what's offered in the store. So I will be returning. But in the meantime, time was short when I got there. So what I decided to do was give a quick walkthrough so you could get a real good idea of a lot of the different products that are there, and a lot of different things that you can see. I will be heading back for a little more in-depth detail. It was quite a busy little place, but the aisles are wide, no problem. Let's pause for one quick timeout. Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. And that's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe. And now, back to the video. Just by looking at all the different booths, you can tell that the local artisans put their heart and soul into each of the products that they put out here. Heard a lot of positive comments while I was there about how people loved the store and they would be back, and they were glad that they found it. A standout fact is that the mall's proceeds benefit the Special Hearts Daycare, and that is a nonprofit program that provides specialized care for local children with special needs. There's over 90 plus booths here, so plan to spend a little bit of time. And there's a lot of items in each booth, so there's lots of neat things to see and explore. One gentleman I was passing said, he said, there is a lot of great things here, and you just want to buy each one. There's everything from books to steel cutouts to wall hangings to raw wood, so you can make your own projects, baskets, just a lot of different things. So I'm going to step aside, put the mic down, quit rambling, and let you guys enjoy the video of all the different products that the store has to offer. Like I said, I will be going back and doing a little more in-depth detail. If you see a booth that you really like, just let me know what minute marker it's at and throw that in the comments. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and it really, it motivates me, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Keep your eyes out, because the next video will be coming out real soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe so you know when the new videos come out. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. I really appreciate it. just a third of a mile up the road from the 3962 split. Just follow 62. You'll see the sign on the right. Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.